In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account on your phone, Android or iOS. We're going to use Instagram's built-in account center to hide your profile, posts, and stories until you decide to come back. This is different from deleting your account. Nothing is permanently removed, and you can restore everything simply by logging in again. Before you start, make sure your app is up to date and that you know your account password, since you'll be asked to confirm your identity along the way. Open the Instagram app and head to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right to open the menu. From here, look for Account Center. If you don't see it right away, tap Settings and Privacy first, then choose Account Center. This is Meta's hub that controls connected accounts and important account tools. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. This section houses ownership and control options for your account. Now choose Account Ownership and Control. This is where Instagram places the tools for deactivating or deleting your account. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. If you have more than one profile connected, you'll be asked to pick the Instagram account you want to change, so select the correct one. On the next screen, make sure Deactivate Account is selected and not Delete. Deactivation is temporary and reversible. Deletion is permanent, so double check you've chosen the right option. When you're ready, tap Continue. You'll be prompted to re-enter your password as a security check. Type it in and tap Continue. Instagram will then ask you to select a reason for deactivating. Choose the option that best fits your situation and tap Continue again. Finally, confirm by tapping Deactivate Account. Once this is done, your profile, posts, stories, and comments will be hidden from other people on Instagram. Your messages with others may still be visible in their chats, but your profile won't be discoverable. If you change your mind later, simply open the app and log in with the same username and password to reactivate everything. Keep in mind that app labels and screens can shift with updates, but the path through Account Center and these options remains largely the same. That's all you need to temporarily step away without losing anything. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more clear step-by-step Instagram tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.